Everyone's favorite little redhead, Orphan Annie, will be on stage this weekend at the Players Theater in their rendition of Annie Jr. Daddy Warbucks and Annie are here with us today for Sounds of the Suncoast singing I Don't Need Anything But You. Take it away.
Together at last, together forever. We're tying a knot they never can sever. I don't need sunshine now to turn my skies to blue. I don't need anything but you.
Yesterday was plain awful.
You can say that again.
Yesterday was plain awful.
But that's
Not now.
that's then.
I'm Parmesan out.
I'm richer than Midas, but nothing on earth could ever divide us. And if tomorrow I'm an apple seller too, I don't need anything, anything, anything. I don't need anything but you.
And Alexa
So different.
playing Annie.
Yes, you do. Every time we see you,
I'm an actor.
You're an actor. You can literally embody any character. We're
Any
so
character.
excited to see you guys May 21st and 22nd. Now,
Yes.
this is Annie Jr. What's different about this show maybe than from the regular Annie we all know?
It's the same exact plot line, same
Okay.
exact story, but it's tailored for children to be performed by children.
Oh.
So yeah, it's this little bit shorter,
Okay.
a little bit quicker, a little bit more.
See, even the
tailored.
adults that maybe can't sit still for too long
Exactly.
watching a show can enjoy this. So it's
Alexa, have you
perfect.
done shows before?
I have.
Okay, and you do. How do you feel about Annie?
It's such a great experience to be working with such great actors. It's really great.
And how old are you, Alexa? This is a big role.
I'm 12 years old.
Wow,
I
that's
bet you've been
impressive.
singing these songs about mopping the floor and sweeping.
Yeah.
I bet you've been singing these songs forever.
Yeah, it's stuck
I
in your
have.
head, right? In your sleep. Well, you're
Definitely.
so talented. We're so
Thank
excited.
you.
May 21st and 22nd
Yes.
at the Players Theater. To get your tickets, just go to theplayers.org.